exercise 15.1 question number 3. Okay. For an experiment in botany, two different plants, plant A and B, were grown under similar lab condition. Their height were measured at the end of each week for 3 weeks. The results are shown by the following graph. This is the first week. This is the first week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the second week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start from this point. Start from this point. Okay. And this is the height in centimeter. Height in centimeter. This is the first week. This is the second week. This is the third week. Okay. In first week, plant A. In first week, plant A has height of 1 centimeter. Height of 1 centimeter. In first week, plant B has height of 2 centimeter. Okay. In second week, plant A and plant B has same height, that is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. In third week, plant A has height of 9 centimeter and plant B has height of 10 centimeter. Okay. This is your graph. This is the graph of this question. Now we will read the question and try to find out the answer of these questions. Answer of these questions. Yes. How high was plant A after 2 weeks? Plant A after 2 weeks and 3 weeks. Plant A dotted line. Plant A after 2 weeks, plant A has height of tell me, after 2 weeks 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Okay. And after 3 weeks, plant A has height of 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. 7 centimeter and 9 centimeter. First part. After 2 weeks, height of plant A. 7 centimeter. After 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, height of plant B. Height of plant B is how much? 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. Have you done? Yes. Next question is, will tell how high was plant B after 2 weeks. Plant B, dark line. Arav, am I listen to me? Arav, am I listen to me? Alok Yadav, Anushka.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Give me the answer. How high was plant B after 2 weeks? After 2 weeks, height of plant B is. After 2 weeks, this is the from this to this. This is the your second week. This is your second week, and second week is here. That is 7 centimeter. That is 7 centimeter. That is 7 centimeter. That is 7 centimeter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
After 3 weeks,
Yeah.
after 3 weeks, plant height of plant B is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. 7 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay? After 2 weeks, height of plant B 7 centimeter. After 3 weeks, height of plant B is 10 centimeter.
10 centimeter.
Do it.
Sir, done.
Point is clear? सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much did plant A grow during third week? थर्ड वीक में जो प्लांट है उसकी ग्रोथ कितनी हुई है? प्लांट ए
10.
हाउ मच डिड प्लांट ए ग्रो ड्यूरिंग थर्ड वीक? थर्ड वीक में स्टार्ट हुआ है प्लांट, वो कितना हुआ है? स्टार्ट 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड एट 9
9
सेंटीमीटर.
centimeter.
कितने ग्रो हुआ? 7 to 9. 7 में जो थर्ड वीक स्टार्ट हुआ वहां पे हाइट ऑफ प्लांट कितनी है? व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ प्लांट एट स्टार्टिंग ऑफ थर्ड वीक? टेल मी. 7 centimeter. And at the end of third week, height of plant A is.
9 centimeter.
So what is that height which is growth by plant A in third week?
2 centimeter.
9 minus 7, 2 centimeter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
हाँ. Height of plant A grow during third week. Height of plant A grow during third week. Height of plant A grow during third week. During third week. How much? That is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. That is 2 centimeter. Okay?
Okay, sir.
How much did plant B grow during the end of second week to end of third week? End of second week to the end of third week. How much did the plant B, plant A नहीं plant B है, grow from end of second week to end of third week. End of second week, plant B 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
and end of third week, height of plant B is
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. Height of plant which is grown by plant B at the end of second week and at the end of third week. 10 minus 7, 3 centimeter.
3 centimeter.
Yes. Plant B grow at the end of second week to end of third week. 10 minus 7, 3 centimeter. Fourth part. Height of plant B grow at the
This is fourth form, no?
at the end of second week to the end of third week. 10 minus 7, 7 centimeter. That is 3 centimeter. Do it fast. E part. The plant A grow most in a second week.
Second.
In second week. Do it fast. E F. F.
Done.
So done.
During which week did plant B grow list? List. Plant B grow list. During which week plant B grow list? बताइए भाई.
Third week.
Third week. In third week 7 to 10. 7 to 10. 3 centimeter grow कर रहा है. In second week 1.5 to 7 सबसे अधिक ग्रो कर रहा है. और फर्स्ट वीक में देखिए, फर्स्ट वीक में 0 to 1.5, ओनली 1.5 सेंटीमीटर ग्रो किया है. सबसे कम जो ग्रो किया है वो फर्स्ट वीक में किया है. देखिए ध्यान से. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir, you are right.
Yes, sir, you are right.
Yes. During first week, plant grow list. During first week, plant B है ना?
So plant E.
B.
Yes, sir.
Plant B grow list. Plant B grow list.
Seven.
Plant B grow list. After that next part is where the two plant of same height during any week shown here specify. Where the two
Yes, sir.
plant of same height during any week, same height any week.
At the end of
At the end of second week.
the second.
At the end of second week, both plant has same height. Okay. एफ जी है ना
जी
ये
सर।
जी है ना हाँ जी जी at the end of second week both plant A and B both plants A and B has same height has the same height
Height.
has the same height dotted line the actual temperature in dark line okay try to understand the graph days Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday okay now temperature 5 degree 10 degree 15 degree Celsius 20 degree Celsius 25 degree Celsius 30 degree Celsius 35 degree Celsius okay on Monday forecast temperature is 15 degree okay and actual temperature is 17.5 because the middle of 15 and 20 is 17.5 am I right or wrong
Yes, sir.
okay on Tuesday forecast temperature and actual temperature is same that is 20 degree Celsius forecast temperature and actual temperature same on Tuesday that is 20 degree Celsius on Wednesday forecast temperature is 25 degree Celsius and on Wednesday actual temperature is 30 degree Celsius okay on Thursday forecast temperature is 22.5 that is 22.5 okay at actual temperature is 15 degree Celsius on Friday forecast temperature and actual temperature are same that is 15 degree Celsius okay on Saturday forecast temperature is 30 degree Celsius and actual temperature is 25 degree Celsius am I right or wrong
Yes, sir. You
Yes,
are right.
right.
on Sunday forecast temperature and actual temperature are same that is 35 degree Celsius on by showing this graph we will give the answer of these question number 4 we'll observe the graph and give the answer of these question okay
Yes.
yes on which day read the question on which day was the forecast temperature as same as the actual days Tuesday same है Friday same है and Sunday same on Sunday same है ना am I right or wrong
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, you are right.
Tuesday Friday and Sunday on Tuesday Friday and Sunday forecast temperature was same as the actual temperature write down it A part on Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Forecast temperature shortcut है temperature का. Temperature was same as actual temperature. ये शॉर्टकट है टेम्परेचर का. ठीक है, आप कंप्यूटर में लिख सकते हैं.
Sir, done.
डन.
Done.
वेरी
Yes,
गुड,
sir.
वेरी गुड,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
Yes, sir.
What was the maximum forecast temperature during the week? Forecast temperature. Please tell me. What was maximum forecast temperature during the week?
The maximum forecast temperature was on Sunday. Sunday.
What was कितना है? On which day नहीं है? 35 degree. 35 degree was the maximum forecast temperature during the week. 35 degree was the maximum. B. 35 degree was the maximum forecast temperature forecast temperature during the week. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? During the week.
Yes, sir.
During the week. Okay. The next question is, read the graph. What was the minimum?
Sir, please open the screen.
Just do it.